Well folks, it is day 27. There are only 3 days left to finish writing the rough draft of this novel. And today I'm going to make the case that writing is like painting. And not for the reason you think. But first,
One chase the rider, follow along with them on YouTube.
First, shout out to Pierre for his wonderful writing advice to suck it up and get some concrete in my blood. Thanks, Pierre. I injected so much concrete this morning. Shout out to Uncle Lalo and Aunt Rosie for getting half of Argentina to subscribe. Thanks, Tios! And folks, I was talking about these videos today with my friend Tom, and he was telling me, you know, maybe you're focusing too much on quantity. He's right. I am focusing a lot on quantity. And betting $100 that I can write 10,000 words in a day is a gimmick. However, writing a prolific first draft is not a gimmick. And I'll tell you why. What writers need to understand is that writing is an art. And in fact, it's very much like painting. If you imagine the canvas, first you put down in chalk, let's say, your outline, which, guess what? That's like the writer's outline. Next, maybe you sketch in pencil. This is your rough draft. Finally, only then, once you've got the bones down, once you've got the idea, once you have the whole, only then do you start painting. Do you actually take the brush to the canvas? And there are lots of writers out there who think that actually the art of writing lies not in writing itself, but in the editing. And even better than writing being like painting, I mean, being a writer is like being an architect. I mean, at first, you're really just going for quantity. You're trying to build as many buildings as you can. Then later you tear down the bad ones, and you chase people out of their homes. Much like, second point, my friend Tom said, why don't you talk about your characters a little bit more? So let me tell you a little bit about Honeybee Sampson, the main character of my as of yet untitled book. She's 14, she has 2 brothers, one of whom might have a crush on her. She hates her mom superficially, and with her dad it's complicated. There's also a love interest, and of course, they're all stuck on this boat. Nabokov says the writer's job is to get your main character into a tree and then to throw rocks at them. Well, the amazing thing about Honeybee Sampson is how many rocks I'm throwing at her. But the point of this, the point of throwing the rocks, is not to be a sadist. Like my friend Benjamin in 4th grade. Thanks, Benjamin. The point is to discover what lies underneath the personality. What happens when you strip away everything the character knows, and that character, that person, gets to discover what's really inside. And Honeybee Sampson, the hero of our little tale, discovers that she's much more than she ever dreamed. Anyway, folks, please like and subscribe. We're trying to hit 250 subscribers. There should be a button. And to all my Argentine friends, if you're still watching this far, because you haven't understood a word, muchísimas gracias. Y bueno, y ya no puedo hablar en español. No sé, me cuesta un montón. Estuve hablando un montón en inglés y ahora no puedo más. Así que, chao.